When you think of the Toyota Land Cruiser, you probably picture a rugged, go-anywhere SUV ready to conquer deserts, mountains, and everything in between. But what if we told you that the newest version of this legendary 4x4 is actually a van? Well, kind of. Meet the Land Cruiser Commercial, Toyota's latest factory-backed transformation of the beloved SUV into a no-nonsense, cargo-hauling workhorse. Built exclusively for the UK market, this unique variant ditches rear seats in favor of a cavernous cargo bay, giving professionals a tough and capable alternative to traditional vans. At first glance, it looks like your standard Land Cruiser. But peek a little closer and you'll spot steel panels replacing the rear windows, a subtle but important hint at its utility-first focus. Pop the rear hatch, and the interior tells a different story. The entire back row is gone, replaced with a flat, hard-wearing cargo floor and a mesh-topped metal bulkhead separating the front cabin. This isn't a luxury people mover. It's a serious tool for the trade. The redesigned rear area offers 2,000 liters, or about 70.6 cubic feet of cargo capacity. Sure, it's not quite as voluminous as a dedicated van like Toyota's Pro-Ace City, which boasts 3,800 liters, but the Land Cruiser more than makes up for it with its 3.5-ton towing capacity and legendary off-road chops. Speaking of capability, this Land Cruiser Commercial doesn't sacrifice any of its ruggedness. It keeps the same 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, full-time four-wheel drive, and selectable drive modes as its passenger counterpart. That means whether you're hauling tools to a remote worksite or just want a bit of style with your substance, this variant is more than up to the task. Inside the cabin, Toyota didn't skimp on features either. Standard gear includes 18-inch alloy wheels, a power-adjustable and heated driver's seat, dual-zone climate control, a 9-inch infotainment system, and Toyota's full safety sense suite. You even get a powered tailgate with a separate glass hatch, practical and premium. But wait, there's more! Toyota also used this opportunity to announce a significant upgrade for all Land Cruiser models across the UK and Europe: the introduction of a new mild hybrid diesel powertrain. Coming by the end of 2025, this system mates the 2.8-liter four-cylinder diesel with a 48-volt hybrid assist system. It adds 16 horsepower and 65 newton-meters of torque when needed, and improves both emissions and refinement. The hybrid components are toughened for harsh conditions, ensuring that the Land Cruiser's off-road ability, including its 700mm weighting depth, remains intact. Toyota claims the hybrid setup improves engine responsiveness and smooths out start-stop functionality for a more refined driving experience, even in the roughest environments. Pricing for the commercial variant starts at £52,729, or roughly $70,600 USD. It will go on sale in the UK this August, with first deliveries expected in September. While this version won't be heading to North America anytime soon, the concept is interesting, and the modifications could easily be replicated for left-hand drive markets if demand ever arises. Whether you're an off-road adventurer, a contractor needing serious cargo capability, or just someone who wants a tough-as-nails 4x4 that's built to work, the Land Cruiser Commercial shows that Toyota isn't afraid to think outside the box, or in this case, build one into the back of its most iconic SUV.